Managing keys on a client's account ensures your team always has the right access while keeping a reliable record of each key's whereabouts. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To get started, open the Clients tab and select the client you want to manage a key for. Navigate to Client Admin and click Keys. To add a new key, click Add Key. Enter the key name or description such as front door or spare key, and optionally the key number in the reference field. Click Create Key. You can then add any further details in the description field. Once you've filled out the key details, click Update to save the key to the client's account. Keys can be assigned from the client profile or from the key management module, which we will look at in a separate video. To assign a key to a sitter, select the key. Then select the staff from the drop-down menu at the top. Click Update to assign the key. The key is now officially recorded as assigned to that sitter in the Who's Had This Key panel. Top tip: you can see a full history and detailed record showing who the key was assigned to, when it was returned and by whom, keeping your records transparent and secure. When you look at your schedules, there is a coloured flag system for staff and admins to view a key's status. When a staff has been assigned a key, the key flag shows as green. When a key is required by a staff to carry out their service, but it is already assigned to another member of staff, it will be in red. When the service date is in the past, it shows as a black key. When an admin returns a key, they can select the key, then choose Not Set from the Assigned Staff drop-down. When you click Update to save, the key status will be unassigned, ready for the next staff who needs it. When a sitter returns a key, they will do this via their staff dashboard. When the service has been completed, click the Keys icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click the Return button next to the key. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add, assign, return, and track a key's history in PetSitter Plus. Be sure to explore our Learning Zone for more videos on optimizing your payment system and other useful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.